really can't make this stuff up. Serious. Unbelievable. What is going on, everybody? I hope everyone's having a great day today. So in today's upload, I'm going to be taking this car out and doing some pulls for you, trying to get some exhaust clips and hopefully some blower wine. But I'm still figuring out my GoPros, the issue I'm having. Last week I couldn't upload because I did a lot of driving and the wind completely destroyed all the video that I had. So I had to scrap it. I got a wind mask for my GoPro now. I'm hoping it's gonna help. Not quite sure, but we're gonna find out again today. But I also did go into the settings on the GoPro and then change the wind settings, so hopefully it kills it but doesn't destroy the sound of the car itself. I just want to let everyone know, and I am still having one issue with this car. I know it's still in kind of a break-in tune, but the bypass valve is giving me a lot of issues whenever I go to try to take off from a light, just drive like a regular everyday traffic. I believe Kenny Bell's bypass valves are set for like a high vacuum cam, and I could be wrong, but the cam shafts that I have in here, I'm almost certain are low vacuum. And I think what's going on is as soon as I go to pull off, my bypass valve is slamming shut and the car thinks that it's in boost, and I believe that's why I'm having so many issues. But hopefully we'll get that resolved. Worst case, I'll have to call Kenny Bell and figure out what's going on. I know they have a new owner now, so they'll be a lot easier to get in contact with. I had a lot of issues trying to even deal with them in the beginning, but it's all paying off now. So if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I know my channel is small, but I'm trying to push out as much content as possible for you, at least one video a week. Oh yeah, update since my last upload. My fuel neck cracked in this car, so I can't get gas at a gas station now. I have to dump it in with a fuel can because it'll leak all over the ground. But we're still gonna go for a ride anyway. Let's go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy the drive. I know the audio is terrible because it's just ridiculously loud. I have not figured out what to do yet, but I'm still going to be working on that. But I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.